Hi, we are Alex and Valeryia Haroshka, and we are on a mission to restore God's original intent for the family.
We're happily married for 12 years. God blessed us with 4 amazing children. Ministry to God was always a big part of our lives. From young age, we served in different church and outside of church capacities. In children's ministry, worked with teens and youth. For many years, we led worship and served in outreach ministry, recorded hundreds of video testimonies and interviews.
For the past year, God persistently spoke into our hearts about ministering to families. Having a burden and pain for those who struggle in their marriages, we answered God's calling and said, "Here we are, Lord, send us."
We don't present ourselves as any experts or professionals. However, we simply agreed to step into this battle for strong Christian families, not against them.
Thus, with the blessing of our Heavenly Father, we are on the mission to help Christians to return to God's original plan for their families.
Welcome to join us at this beautiful journey with family-focused, Christ-centered ministries. Better Together 1012. If you're willing to support us in any way, please reach out via our email bettertogetherfamily1012@gmail.com. God bless you.